Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Palindrome and exploring how we can use JavaScript and Python to solve the valid palindrome problem from LeetCode. So, buckle up and let's start this coding adventure together. The valid palindrome problem asks us to determine if a given string is a palindrome considering only alphanumeric characters and ignoring cases. A palindrome is a word, phrase, number, or other sequence of characters that reads the same forward and backward, ignoring spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. Let's take the word race car. If we start reading race car from the beginning or the end, it's still race car. It did a perfect word cartwheel. Our approach to solving this problem is straightforward. We first normalize the string by removing non-alphanumeric characters and converting the string to lowercase. Then we use two pointers, one at the beginning of the string and the other at the end. We move the pointers toward each other until they meet, checking if the characters at the pointers are the same. If we find a pair of characters that don't match, we return false. If the pointers meet or cross each other, we return true, indicated that the string is a palindrome. Let's take the string Abel was I saw Elba as an example. Abel was I saw Elba. This is a famous palindrome attributed to Napoleon Bonaparte. Here's how our algorithm would process this string. Step 1 is normalization. We remove any characters that are not alphanumeric and convert all the letters to lowercase. So, Abel was I saw Elba becomes okay. Two pointers technique. We start with one pointer at the beginning of the string. Yes. And another at the end of the string. Here. We compare the characters at the position of the two pointers. They are the same. A equal A. So we move the pointer toward each other. Move pointer here and remove it here. And this pointer, remove it here, and move it here. At each step, the characters are the same, so we keep moving the pointers towards each other. B compared with B, L compared with L, E compared with E, W, and the end. Finally, the pointers meet at the middle character I. Since we've checked all the pairs of characters and found them to be the same, we can conclude that the string is a palindrome. This is how our algorithm verifies that Abel was I saw Elba is a palindrome. Okay, let's go to write this algorithm on code with JavaScript. The first step, normalize the string. For this, I use regex for removing non-alphanumeric characters and converting to a string to lowercase. For this, I use a regex s equal s rip place by this, and also to lower case. Step 1, normalize the string. Now initialize the left pointer. For this, let I equal 0 and now initialize the right pointer. For this, let j equals dot length -1. Okay, now I use while the pointers have not met or crossed each other. Okay, so I write will, okay, I smaller than pointer j, and if the characters at the pointers are not the same, I will write a condition if si not equal say j, if the characters at the pointers are not the same, so return false, else j plus plus and I plus plus. J plus plus for move the left pointer one step to the right, and I minus minus move the right pointer on a step to the left. And if all pairs of characters were the same, return true. Return true. I'm so sorry. J minus minus I plus plus. I start from first array and j start from the end array. Okay, run. Yes, accepted, and submit. Yes, accept my solution. Okay, now write this solution with Python. I select Python 3 or That's all for today's video. I hope you found this solution helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorial. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!